Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding some Cardano, ADA, on Bitmart and want to move it over to your Coinbase wallet, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make the process smooth and secure. Whether you're diversifying your crypto holdings or just prefer Coinbase's interface, transferring ADA is straightforward once you know the ropes. Let's dive right in. First things first, before we start, ensure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need an active account on both Bitmart and Coinbase wallet, with some ADA in your Bitmart wallet. Also, double-check that your Coinbase wallet is set up to receive ADA. It should be, but it's always good to verify. Remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so proceed with caution and maybe do a small test transfer first. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to your wallet section. Find your ADA balance and select the withdraw option. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Next, in the withdrawal form, you'll have to provide your Coinbase wallet address. To get this, open your Coinbase wallet app or website, go to your ADA wallet, and copy the receiving address. Paste it carefully into Bitmart's withdrawal page. Double-check for any typos, as that could send your funds to the wrong place, and that's not something you can undo. Once everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll likely need to go through two-factor authentication for security. After that, Bitmart will process the withdrawal, and the ADA will be sent over the Cardano blockchain. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. On the Coinbase side, keep an eye on your wallet. Once the transfer arrives, you'll see your ADA balance update. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like CardanoScan. A quick tip. Always be aware of any gas fees or minimum withdrawal amounts on Bitmart. In 2025, these might have changed, so glance at their help section if needed. And there you have it. Your ADA is now safely in Coinbase wallet. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange's support teams. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.